right about me. I'll say anything they like. I'll incriminate anyone. It's true. The first scream, whimper, and something else. Her hand all bone. She throws that down as well. The purple sequins fall, slithering down
there's someone
over the
alongside
step
you.
of snakeskin,
Toyo
glittering
turd.
in the sunlight. Behind my back. Of course, there was nothing to rule out the possibility that the tapes had been moved to the site in question.
Nice
after
cut
they
off.
had been made.
Toyo turd,
We hoped
masshole.
to be able to trace and locate the descendants of the
Morgan Riley was up for the Lady Bing until this incident.
Exit dive.
She was a first-time offender.
of biblical precedents. They thus replaced the serial polygamy common in the pre-Gilead period with the older form of simultaneous polygamy practiced both in early Old Testament times and in the former state of Utah.
Exit dive up there in that blue van.
She appears
It's like,
to
why
have
are you
been
driving a
educated
nice
woman,
Integra like
insofar
that?
as a graduate of any North American college
what
at the
the
time may be said to have
fuck?
been educated. Laughter. Some groans. But the woods, as you say, were full of these.
Get out of the middle lane. What the fuck are you doing? You're like
She does
way
not
below the
see fit
speed
to
limit.
surprise with her original name, and indeed all official
double
records
douche.
of it would have been destroyed upon her entry into the Rachel and Leah Re-Education Center.
You guys back in that era. Yeah, I mean, 5-story titles, 2 Stanley Cups, MVPs. He saved the franchise.
Really?
He would have went bankrupt if he didn't beat the New Jersey Devils in Game 6 and Game 7 on like half of Roy. So I mean, it's just amazing. It was. I can't believe Pat Hayden and/or Vince Ferragamo and/or Roman Gabriel weeks for the Rams, and then you had the Niners. Is John Hadel's way before that. Oh, it was
Really? Thanks for signaling.
Or Jim Plunkett.
At its inception, it had spread from its origin in the Philippines to become a general term for the elimination of one's
Red light run, red light run, red light run, and in front of a cop too that won't do anything about it.
The narrator reached the outside world safely and built a new life
How's that
for
guy
herself?
doing up there?
Or was she discovered in her attic hiding place, arrested, sent to the colonies or to Jezebel's, or even executed? Our document.
Years. Because they don't have guys. And I was happy there was
Fuck
Morgan
me.
Riley that did that. Because maybe he has some nuts on that team.
And I'm exit diving. I am dumb. I can't read the signs for shit.
But you want
You done messed up,
barely a major
Aaron!
league- Your defense, along with Popo, playing incredible, is a force to be reckoned with.
Absolutely, man. And as you guys know, very recently, Ekblad became the first defenseman in Panther history.
The BMW
to
douche
score
got
one of
honked at for sitting in the left
He's a force to
lane.
be reckoned with. And Bob
Gee,
Rocky,
your exit's
man,
coming up. Let's
I
figure out what
was
lane you want to
talking
be
a friend
in.
of mine recently.
Panthers. That's a real great trio of a guy to play for.
And noted racist.
Yeah, not you like to throw around the epithets behind the bench there. But
You have to forgive my loyalty and love for Van Beesbrook because
So
he was the first
that was an
goalie.
exit dive ahead of me.
He was our first goalie. First goalie, go to the cup, you know. Can I reiterate, though, just for the record, and I know I've mentioned this on the podcast before, can I reiterate that my brother, myself, my mother, my father, never threw one rat. Not one.
Vin, how
Not
did
one. And
that tradition start?
Come
It
on.
started with, I don't know if it was a true story or if it was a promotion, but it started with Scott Mellenby.
You had a chance to merge over earlier, and you're an idiot.
Season, and Rat was running.
I enjoy going to the game there. It is a bit out of the way. It could be in an easier location to get to.
The rink is? Yeah.
Yeah, it's in west of Fort Lauderdale.
Sunrise, Florida, yeah.
Driving along with a flat tire.
Suburban
What
area,
the
you can
hell?
Go through a mall. Shopping
Seriously,
center.
put the
But
spare on.
There's great fans. There's great
And just moving my body around. But as the daytime revealed itself, it now felt like my time doing jumping jacks in the dark or climbing up the mountain in the dark felt like days ago, not just an hour ago. It was a brand new day, and I was
Really?
off on top of a high peak. That, my friends, is why I say
I'm eating a burrito. Zooming.
the feeling that
He was nowhere to be found. This sheep had escaped. He had liberated himself. He had run away toward the mountains, and hidden himself
Nice
so
cut
well
off.
in the caves that nobody could find him.
Come on! Go, go, go! Yeah!